Just wanted to give you a quick demonstration, the difference between a hammer drill and a rotary hammer. On top of having different designs, the main difference is this, almost all the energy goes into rotating the chuck, which the drill bit is attached to, and it has a slight tapping movement. This, most of the energy goes into pounding forward, with less of it going towards the rotational. So this is primarily a rotating drill. This is primarily a chisel drill. Let's see these guys in action. Pretty quick for the hammer drill. Let's see the rotary hammer. Already through. Now, because this is primarily a chisel, it has the added benefit of a dedicated chisel feature. You can switch the setting here and just go straight into breaking up materials. That biggest difference between rotary hammer, hammer drill.